Welcome to Ngqo Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting us. We have now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngqo Shop channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Cape Town City 0.
Khona kunjani mapholoba?
Siyaphila baba. Ibona kanjani game namhlanje?
Hayi game beyinhle kakhulu. iChiefs idlale kahle kakhulu. Ngithanda nokuthi ithole i-clean sheet.
Exactly.
iChiefs beyidlala kakhulu. Cha into eyingxaki leyo ukora amagoli. Bona amathuba amaninzi, more special nge-first half. Kodwa kunzima ukuthi ba-convert ama-chances wabo. iChiefs ingathi ngathola nje i-strike esi-deadly ezawubetha amagoli. Sishota nje nge-strike bayadlala abafana. Asinangxaki nabo, siyabasupporta, sisemva kwabo ngalo lonke ixesha. Bonile badlala kakuhle, sishote nje ngegoli namhlanje.
I-man of the match yakho kade kuba namhlanje?
I-man of the match bengayikhetha phakathi koDove nalo mfana uLilebo umdlali banidlalele namhlanje.
No, siyabonga kakhulu mama. All the best in future.
Ndiyabulela bhuti.
Enkosi tata.
Sizawuhlala siphansi ukuthi semva kwayo iKaizer Chiefs.
Nazonke.
Ndiyabulela.
Thank you.